Method of installing infrared laser lines. Insert it from below. It has slots on both sides. This is the position on the left. This is the position on the right. We'll start by bypassing the screws with two small heads, one for the transmitter and one for the USB head. Pull the thread in. Stick the receiver on the bottom. They all come with their own double-sided tape. We need to put it under this. This position requires the wire to be placed along the card slot without protruding. Now use the buckle we gave to arrange the thread. Prevent the long power cord from affecting the cabinet. We need to take care of this position. The receiver is on the side of the projector USB head inside cabinet. We connect the USB to the power supply. This is the location of the infrared receiver. The infrared position of our laser TV is over here. All we have to do is stick it on this side, and if yours is on the back, just stick it on the back. Some laser TV it will be in the front, so glued to the front, it can receive normally.